Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to convert string to list in Python. So friends, there are many ways to convert string to list in Python, but in this video I am teaching you how to convert string to list using a split method. So right here using split method. Let's see an example to illustrate this. So let's take example 1. First I am declaring a string as str is equals to Python, which is only a single word string. I am printing this string as output, so write print str, and here output is the string as Python. Now to convert this string into a list, right here my list is equals to, I want to convert this string to list, so let's write str dot split. In this split I don't require to give any argument for this method, so let's print my list and let's see the output. Let's save this, and here is the output. This string is a single word string, so this string is converted into a list of single element. Here is the Python as the single element only. Suppose I am declaring a string as a sentence, so right here I am learning a Python, so I want to convert this sentence string into a list. So this split function itself convert this string into the list. Here this list will be separated by the space in this sentence, so let's save and let's see the output. Here is the output, as each of these word is converted into the element of this list, which is separated by the white space between two letters. A default argument value in this split method will be this white space, so I don't require to give this space as a argument. If in this sentence there will be any symbol, like here I am giving dollar as the symbol between each of these words, so here is the 1, 2nd, 3rd, and here is 4th one. Here dollar is the works as separator between this list element, so I have to give dollar as the argument here. So right here first argument as the dollar, and let's see what will be the output. Now output will be the same as the previous one. Each of these elements are separated here by dollar, so I have to give dollar as the argument instead of dollar. If there was any other sign, I have to give the that sign in this split argument. This argument is called as a separator, which we can write here separator. In this way we can separate any string into the list using a split function. So thank you for watching this video. In next video we will see how to convert string to list using map function.